Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Hi guys, welcome back. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to remove warning on your TikTok account. So TikTok account warning is a message on your profile page that appears for violating TikTok policies. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you have to go to your profile page on your TikTok account, and then you can see the three lines on the top right. Click on that and click on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you see Report a Problem. After you've clicked on that, you have to click on Account and Profile. Then you can see your profile page. Click on Others, which is on the bottom. Then here, is your problem resolved? Click No. And then click Need More Help to state your feedback. So here I am just copy pasting the sample feedback, but you can copy this if you'd like. And then next is you have to provide your TikTok details below, such as your username or email address. Next is, it would be more effective if you attach a picture of your account with a warning, such as this or this. Then once you provide all the details, you can now click on Submit and kindly wait for 24 hours for the TikTok team to contact you and remove the warning on your account. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.